Electra Mechanica unveils cargo version of its Solo EV.
Have you heard of this brand name?
It does seem familiar, but
It's Mechanica is the real auto manufacturer. I think the Electra Mechanica is like the sister brand,
gotcha.
and they make really cool looking cars.
I know what this is.
I just gotta say,
I know what this is.
yeah, what's that?
This is the DoorDash mobile.
Yes.
You're right. Like already in the red as well. If you're trying to get around tight spaces, you're looking for efficiency. You need a very specific amount of cargo space for food and grocery deliveries. Man, and it's cute too. That thing, it looks like a half a car almost.
Exactly. Yeah.
That thing rolls up with your delivery. You're loving it. You know, I can already see the badge on there.
So this was the original, and then they just added more cargo space.
Yeah. You need a little cargo in there. What do they say? It's 53 inches tall, 123 inches long, and the dimensions have been expanded to 8 cubic feet of cargo space. Not a ton. Probably wouldn't work for all the gear I carry around.
No, but it's definitely for city life.
100-mile range and a top speed of 80 miles per hour. No, man, I like it. That thing, I want to have it. Can I put it over there? How much these go for?
What color though?
No, I want that one right there.
You want the red one?
Yeah. I'm going to put it right there.
Okay. How much do you think it'll cost?
Well, DoorDash is our sponsor, aren't they?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, so we'll put a DoorDash.
It's a branded one?
We'll put a DoorDash, like one of those magnet signs that you see you would slap on the side on the door.
Oh, okay.
We'll put a magnet sign on the door, and then in the evening, I'll just sign up and I'll do some DoorDash deliveries.
With your hat?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be the delivery guy, and you never know, I might show up. They're all cool.
So you know what's even cooler? I checked out their site, the Roadster. Check this one out. Look at that.
What? That's
it's the
electric?
complete opposite of what that other car was, the Solo. This is the Roadster. Completely EV.
You see the price on this one, though? 150 G's. Yeah, you want the classic look, you better pay for it. The other one, though, was 18,500.
Yeah.
So you can get a bunch of that looks so cool inside.
Uh-huh.
But why do you have a gear shift? It's electric, right?
It is electric.
Oh, so the whole thing is a decoy. That's very cool. Nice find, Will.
Yeah. I thought it was